Hi guys, it's me Mitch002. Today we're fortunate to have this awesome smartphone, not from Xiaomi but from Huawei, and we have here the Honor Note 10. Okay, so Honor Note 10 is one of the more premium series from Huawei, so we're happy to have this unit on board. Okay, so let's take a look at the unit right here. It's really a big phone. Actually, it's a phablet. Okay, so the size is roughly as big as the Mi Note 3 from Xiaomi. Okay, so this one we can see it's from the Honor series, which is a premium one from the one of the premium manufacturer Huawei. Okay, so looking beneath, we have the USB Type-C. Okay, we have the SIM card ejector slot here. And on top, okay, probably this is the Dolby Atmos stereo speaker on top, which probably would be sounding so awesome. Okay, we have the power button, the volume rocker, and here's the game button. Okay, it's a dedicated button for you just to play games and kick everything, all those bloatwares or open apps out, just for you to play the game, to maximize everything, all the resources, just for PUBG or the game you love. Okay, so we have the AI camera here, dual camera, fingerprint scanner, okay, and the LED flash. Okay, this blue is pretty awesome. I can tell you that in person it's really shiny, and yeah, we pretty much love it. Okay, so here's the front screen. So we have already installed some apps over here, so let's take a look at the settings. About phones. Okay, it's a EMUI OS version 8.2, and it's also Android 8.1 Oreo. So you can see here it's a Kirin 970 with a 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. So for me, this is already a high-end. Okay, considered to be one of the high-end, more premium lineup from one of the leading manufacturers, Huawei. Okay, so we can see here the AI mode for photography. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot to play here. Even you can play with the aperture. Okay, so aperture level, you can play with it. So you can switch from 0.95 all the way up to 16. Okay, so actually there's a lot to play. Portrait mode, you even have 3D. Okay, so photo, video, and there's a lot to play on the manual mode. Okay, so basically that's it for me. So this is the Huawei Honor Note 10. I'm Mitch002 signing off.